Hello, this is Ziyin Chen. I'm presenting the second part of Lecture 3. This is the homepage of my store online. Anybody can see it without signing, but it cannot do anything without signing in. So I'm signing up as a guest. GGG. This is my password. If I enter GGG, then it'll say, well, it doesn't like what I have. So add in G and create account. Then account created. I'm now signing in. And if I check the Firebase, then I can see there is a new user named guest test at test.com, and after signing in, I can start purchasing. Currently the shopping cart has no item in it. Then I'm going to add 3 cows, 2 frogs, 1 Mickey Mouse, and then I have 6 items in total. Then if I click the shopping cart, I can see them. Then the total is $1,000. Then I'll check out completed. And if I look at my purchase history, there is a web record I made just now and lists everything I have already purchased. And if I want to update my user's information, then let me update my Firestore stuff. Okay. Account information. And here I'll edit, then give it a name. The new name would be Bob Smith update. Okay, I have a new item. Here I need to refresh it. Bob Smith here. And then let me update the address. If I type in wrong stuff, T update, it'll have an error message. Let's say 123 Main Street update. Okay, now the address is 123 Main. So I'll do the same thing for city. Edmond update. Okay, now city has Edmond. State, if I type in say 2 numbers and then it doesn't like it, so I'm going to type in OK. Update, yes, it likes it. State is OK now. And zip, check, say again. Well, it doesn't really like it. Update, yes, it's there. Credit card, I'm going to skip that. And to update my file, my profile photo, let me have a cute owl open, and then I'm going to upload, and then here it's there. So if I sign out and sign in again, my purchase history should still be there. Let me sign in real quick. Guest at test GGG. Signing. My purchase history is still there. Everything is there. That's it. Thank you.